Hi everybody. We are gearing up to get back and start doing more tutorials, but the first thing I have to do is get this space a little bit cleaned up because I got quite the mess going on down here. So here we go. This is something I've had started for months. This is one I've been fighting with for months. And I have this one that doesn't have a design on it yet. And that's been sitting here for about a year. So, we also have these pens that need to be finished. They're not done. They are smooth enough to put designs on. Except for that one right there. But we have all these empty turners with nothing on them and turners with stuff on them. So what we're going to do this week is dig into the glitter drawer, see what we have, organize it, and I need to go through and see what we have for blank tumblers. I know I have a bunch of blank pens, and I have a bunch of pens that are started in the basket that things can be done with. Tons of things. We also have badge reels that we can make. I'll show you the trick that I learned to these. And then we need to get more molds. I don't have very many molds anymore. I ended up getting rid of a lot of them. And then I will get some more molds coming in because I don't think I have any left in the drawer. I do not. I have junk in the drawer. Tons of junk in the drawer. Yep, lots of junk. Yeah. So we'll have to get some more molds and see what we have for vinyl and stuff to play with. We do have tons of water slide designs we can mess with. I do have a really cool one that I want to work on and show you guys how to do that I did before. I also got this right here. This isn't done yet. This was supposed to be a geode one. That one's not done yet. That one can get finished up. But we have tons and tons and tons of things that we're going to be working on and designing. And I want to know from you guys what you want to learn how to make or what you need help on. So that way we can make more specific videos that help you more. And I will also get some more keychain pieces, and I'll show you where I get my keychain pieces from so you guys can get the same ones if you want. So much junk in the drawers. But that's where we are today. We're gonna start getting this mess picked up, everything situated and set. I even have craft projects for the house I started to hang on the walls this summer. That's not done. Yes, we have tons of unfinished crafts that are half started. This one, we actually went camping this summer and put our handprints on it from the sand from the beach where we camp at our favorite camping area. But this is where we are. We'll start to get things organized this weekend and get stuff situated, get all the crafts together, get this thing cleaned up so it works and we can print some stuff. And then we will be back with our first tutorial. So get ready, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the little bell notification too on our page, so that way when we post a new video, you'll get a notification right away. Have a great one, guys.